Let us see how to create double exposure effect in Photoshop. So let us start. I have selected an image of a person's side view. Now, first thing is I will select this person using quick selection tool. So simply select the quick selection tool and click on select subject. So once the subject is selected, just click on the mask icon at the bottom of the layers panel. So once we have applied mask to this, so the next step we are supposed to do is we are going to create a background. So just select the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the layers panel and select solid color. So we are going to select a pure white color and then simply click OK, and then drag the layer below the subject layer. Then the next step is we are going to get this image of trees. So I am simply going to drag this image of trees into this document and simply close the tree document. And the next thing we are supposed to do is let's keep the layer of this tree image above the subject layer, and then let us adjust the tree layer. Let us scale it, rotate it, and adjust it in such a way that it actually covers his face. So try to adjust it properly. So we can stretch it a little bit. Right. So something like this. So once we have adjusted it like this, the next step we are going to do is we are going to make it as a clipping mask. So just hold Alt and click in between the tree layer and the subject layer. This is clipping mask. So you can see there is a clipping mask. So we can adjust the image properly if you want, so that it is only showing up over his face. So once we have adjusted the image, the next thing we are going to do is, so we will apply a blending mode. So we will apply a screen blending mode to this layer, to the tree layer. So just select the blending mode and select the screen blending mode. So now we got some look. So the next thing we are going to do is, so we are going to change the solid colors color to the sky color. So simply double click on this color fill layer and then just pick the sky color. So you can see how the color is mixing. The background color, how it is blending, how the solid color is blending with the background. So the next step we are supposed to do is, so we will just try to remove these unwanted parts by selecting the subject, and then we are going to select the brush tool and we will slowly try to paint black. So something like this. So if we paint black, so we can remove the unwanted things over here. Right. So the next thing we are going to do is, so we will apply a curves adjustment layer. So simply select the adjustment and apply curves. So when you have applied the curves adjustments, so the thing we are supposed to do is, so we can actually move these sliders for highlights and for shadows. So simply move it, so we can see the changes, and we can also move the shadow slider to the right. So simply something like this. So the next thing we'll do is, so we'll apply a black and white adjustment layer to the subject layer. So just select the subject layer and then just select the black and white option. So now we have a black and white. So we can adjust these things, adjust the options for black and white adjustment layer. So something like this. So we can adjust the greens, yellows, and we can make sure that, so we can make sure that the trees are just coming out of this person's face. So something like this. So we can adjust these values. Right. So the next thing we can do is, we can finally apply one brightness and contrast layer, brightness and contrast adjustment layer, and then we can increase the contrast or reduce the contrast. Just we can adjust the contrast and brightness. So something like this. So this is a quick and easy way to create double exposure in Photoshop. So I hope you like it. Please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. See you again.